Welcome to our guided meditation. Take this time to find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or laying down. Adjust your posture in any way that brings you the most relaxation right now. And let your eyes close if you haven't already. And start by noticing your breath. No effort, no control. Observing your natural rhythm. Observing the air as it comes in, it goes out. And let your attention rest here on this simple rhythm. And feel your body sitting here, your weight being held, your feet touching the ground. Let yourself drop fully into the physical reality of this moment. You are here, right here. And nothing else needs to happen. And give yourself full permission to be here right now. Now bring your attention to the space of your mind. Notice if there's any thoughts floating around. You don't need to chase them or argue with them. Just see them. Maybe you hear that familiar inner voice, the commentator, the planner, the one rehearsing or worrying. Let it be there, but watch from a distance, as if you're listening to a sound in the background. And as you do this, recognize something important. You're not the voice in your head. You're the awareness that notices the voice. The quiet space underneath the thoughts. When you don't jump into a thought, when you simply notice it and let it pass, it creates a little gap, a bit of space, a moment where nothing needs to be solved or analyzed. That space is presence. A simple, beautiful awareness. Rest in that space. No past, no future, just this breath, this moment, this gentle sense of being. Now bring your attention down from the head, through the throat, into the center of your body. See if you can sense that subtle aliveness inside you. Feel your hands from the inside, noticing a warmth, tingling, or maybe a quiet sense of energy. Do the same for your feet, your legs, your arms, your entire torso. Let this inner energy field fill your awareness. No need to force anything. Just sensing whatever is there. This inner aliveness is always present. It's a doorway back to yourself, your deeper self. Not the mental story, not the roles, not the identity, but the simple beingness that's always here beneath everything else. And rest here in this quiet, grounded presence. In this space, there's nothing to fix, nothing to chase, just the peaceful reality of right now. Let this awareness stay with you as you return to your day. When the mind gets loud or busy again, which it will, you can come back to your breath, to the aliveness of your body, to this simple moment. There's nothing to achieve in this practice. You're just remembering what's always here when the mind quiets down. Your natural presence, your aliveness. And as we begin to end our session for today, slowly come back to waking consciousness. Bringing your attention to the sounds around you. Noticing your eyelids And take a slow, conscious breath in and a soft exhale out. And whenever you're ready, and whenever feels right to you, gently open your eyes back to this beautiful world around you with a smile.